Hi everybody, and welcome to Survival Dads. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Modular Survival System's Female Hygiene Kit. The Female Hygiene Kit. Coming in at only £4.99, this small, compact, totally waterproof kit is designed by women, for women. It is an unpredictable world that we live in. It could be that your train has been cancelled, perhaps your flight has been delayed, and you're stuck somewhere. Being able to stay comfortable and feel good about yourself is a vital thing, and something which I think we all take for granted. So this kit is designed, as I said, for women by women, and contains the essentials to keep yourself clean and keep yourself happy. So we'll take a look, shall we? Okay, so just like the rest of Modular Survival's modules, it comes in a totally waterproof, dust-proof, heat-sealed and zip-locked resealable bag. You have the nice sleek packaging here. You have a nice pink. Here you have the female symbol, and you have the hygiene kit there. If I spin it around, we have the QR code on the back and contents list. QR code, so if you wanted to reorder or get more information about the kit, you can simply scan that with your phone. It takes you directly to the website. So I'll just read the back of it for you. So this small kit is ideal to store in a handbag or car glove box, so it can be easily accessed when needed. In the unpredictable world we live in, flight cancellations, standstill motorways and train delays, making sure that you are comfortable for a long stay is vital. These kits are fully waterproof, making them ideal for people travelling or working in harsh environments. So without further ado, let's open it up and take a look at the contents. Okay, so first up, take these over here. We have some baby wipes. So we have 1, 2, 3 baby wipes there. We have a pack of 10 tissues there, super soft. We have a small tube of toothpaste, ice cool mint. We have a folding, decent size toothbrush. We have a shampoo and shower gel sachet there. We have 2 antibacterial hand wipes. We have 2 more wet wipes, so we have 5 wet wipes in total. We have a sanitary towel and a tampon. And that is the contents of the Female Hygiene Kit. So as you can see, most bases are covered here. You have the tampon and sanitary towel for when it's that time of the month and perhaps you're caught out. You have the oral hygiene taken care of here. You have the shampoo and shower gel, so emergency showers, whether you're stuck at work or you're at the gym and you forgot what you need, you can take care of yourself there. Antibacterial hand wipes, always good to keep yourself clean that way. You have 5 baby wipes, should be enough to give yourself a quick strip wash should the need arise. Any other tissues, because you never want to be caught out without some tissues. So for this £4.99, I think this is a really good comprehensive kit, and something which I think everyone should have in their car or in their work locker. I for one will definitely be getting a couple of these and stashing them around, perhaps one in my car, girlfriend's car, and probably the first aid kit as well, because I would assume, being a male I'm not sure, but being caught out without supplies such as this, I imagine to be a real pain. and something which would be quite uncomfortable and quite unpleasant. So I really like this kit. Quite similar to the male kit in the sense that it takes care of hygiene and it takes care of making yourself kind of feel good and feel fresh. And as I say, for £4.99 for a kit such as this, comprehensive, totally waterproof, it's ideal for people perhaps going to a festival or working abroad. So there we go, the female hygiene kit, designed by women for women, and something which I think everyone should have. Thanks for watching, stay safe, be sure to check out the other videos in the Modular Survival playlist, and I'll see you soon.